where's the voter drop box? Walking and talking today, Thursday, 21 March 2024. This is the city of Shoreline. And can I prove it's a city? Do we have a city hall? That's Shoreline City Hall. I showed you the front of the building. There's another entrance to the building marked City Hall that's nearer to the police entrance. So we'll do that. City of Shoreline, parking up that way. And there's an outdoor sitting area. We got the United States of America flag and Washington State flag. Should we go over here? So they got some dedication to Merchant Marine. Veterans Service Above Self dedication for the bench. And then there's some dedicated bricks. I think I vaguely recall reading about that at some point in time. So walking and talking today, it's City of Shoreline City Hall. I am Tanis, Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. This used to be Seattle, now it's City of Shoreline. It's still technically Seattle on some stuff, but it became independent after we moved here. So it's weird to live in a place and then be like, oh, now it's gonna be a different city. So here's the other entrance to City Hall. I got some artwork, and then there's the police are that way. So there's the water fountains. So this is really kind of a tour of the City Hall premises. I'm not going to take us inside because there are people working and I didn't want to disrupt it. But they've got beautiful grounds to see. They got artwork. So here's the police. If you got problems, you can bring them here. Nice, see? City Hall police. Yeah. Then we got our standard mixed recycling, compost, and landfill trash. And then up here, there's another art piece. And I've already parked my car. It reminds me a little bit of the parking lot that I used to park at on, was it Hearst? Yeah, but Hearst and Euclid, approximately. Hearst. The entrance wasn't on Euclid in Berkeley, California, when I attended the University of California, Berkeley. So I'll show you where I parked my car. Yeah. So the City Hall. It's a decent size building. It's not the courthouse. I've done a walking and talking at the park abutting the courthouse before. It's separate buildings here. Here's the parking. I'm trying to avoid license plates. Here we go. It's even like the, yeah. I'll show you my car. I parked over here. There it is. All right. Thank you for joining me for this walking and talking, which was going on a walk at City of Shoreline City Hall and talking about what is here. A tour of sorts. Tour of the grounds outside. So there you go. Thank you for joining me. Happy day and time of viewing you whenever you're viewing this, and happy place of viewing wherever you're viewing this from.